tax refund counter. I have to go this way. These are the machines here. Let's go. I have so many bills for D-tax, and this is how the machine looks like. And today there is no queue. It's all empty. So let's start getting our tax back. So I chose English and immediately leave. Yeah, you have to accept this clause. So now scan your forms one by one. Okay, I'm scanning my form. So I have to disconnect. How it works. So this is the scanner. You have to choose your language. Choose English. And next accept. And let's scan this whole. Okay, it got validate. Thank you. So this is how it works. And this side customs it. If you got any red light, you have to go there. All my form got validated. Here you have to put the scanning, and this is how it shows after validation. It all went smooth. All got green. Luckily, I was a little nervous. It was my first time to do such process. Everything went smooth, and now I'm going towards my gate, flying by Vistara Airlines business class. I hope that video really helped, and just keep your bills handy. Yeah, and start doing the process one by one. It's quite easy. Thanks for watching.